Hi guys, welcome to Tech Nanda. Today video is Advanced Machining Process Swayam NPTEL Week 4 answers. Here the first question: what are the types of overvoltage ECM? So answer is first question. So, here the first question answer is C is the correct answer. Why C అనేది ఎందుకు కరెక్ట్ క్లియర్ ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ ఇచ్చాను. So C is the correct answer. Second question: under the what condition is electrode double layer formed? So this question answer is B is the correct answer. So B is the correct answer. Which of the following essential components of an ECM setup? So answer is C. A and C are the both correct. A and C are the correct. Fourth question here. Fourth question answer is multi-component. For all which type electrode is used in CM? Fifth question, which statements are grading? So A, C, D are the correct. A, C, D are the correct. Coming to the sixth question. Sixth question answer is sixth question answer 1.83. Here is the answer is 1.83. Seventh question. Seventh question answer is 40 answer. Eighth question 450 is the correct answer. Here ninth question, which electrolyte is commonly used? Electrochemical machining ECM process. So sodium NaCl is the correct answer. Ninth question I will completed. 10th question B, C, D is the correct answer. So here B, C, D are the correct answer. So here again C. Here B, C, D are the correct answer. Sodium is correct answer 450, 40, 1.83. A, B, C, C, D, C, A, C, B, C are the correct answer. So this is about week 4 answers of advanced machining processes. సో నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోలో వీక్ 5 గురించి మాట్లాడుకున్నాం. సో మీకు ఈ వీడియో నచ్చితే డెఫినెట్గా లైక్ చేసుకొని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. చాలామంది చూసినా కానీ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవట్లేదు ఫ్రెండ్స్. నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోలో వీక్ 5 గురించి మాట్లాడుకుంటాం. థ్యాంక్ యూ గైస్.